Hi, welcome to my video. In this video I will show you how to create app for your website completely free and without coding in 2 minutes. So let's start this video. First go to browser and open this link. This link is given in description. First log in to this website. For login, click on login. Enter your email and password. Then click on sign up. After completing login, then click create now. Choose your category. For example, I select create app to grow. After that, select individual, and then select website. Paste your website URL. For example, I create app for wordsoftjoin website. So let's copy URL of wordsoftjoin website, paste here, and click on save. Then if you want to add more features, then select from here. If you want to remove, click on remove tab. Then select your layout. I select third number. After that, click on next. Then write your app name. If you want to see preview, click here. Here is your app preview. Click on next, then select your icon for your app. I want custom icon. Click on upload and upload your app icon. Then click on next, then click on create. So your app is completely ready. If you want to download your app, click on download app and click on APK Android package. Your app will be automatically downloading. After download complete, install this app in your phone. So this is a website convert to app. This is my website. And this is my Facebook page. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.